you guys are new here, go ahead and give me a follow. I go live with my chinchillas, my adults, babies, rescues, the whole 9 yards. Look how cute Cupid is. Thank you. They are so cute. Oh, get down. There's some big chinnies. They're over 1,000 grams. Sookie's probably bigger because she's pregnant. Jade, thanks for following the live. If you guys are new here, hop on in. I go live with my chinnies. FYP, thanks, Jade. If you guys are new, please follow. We go live with the chins, my rescues, and my adults, babies, the whole 9 yard. Aren't they cute, guys? That's Mama Sookie.